Good morning, YouTubers. This is Muskrat Jim, and this is December 28th. And as you can see, there's absolutely no snow on the ground. This is quite unusual for our area of the country, but it is what it is. There's an El Nino in the Pacific, and that causes milder winters over here on the East Coast. Anyway, I want to wish you all a belated Merry Christmas, and just show you a couple of things that I got for Christmas. Well, my wife got me this battery-powered miniature chainsaw. You may have seen me use one in an earlier video. But anyway, this one comes with a nice case. Pair of cheap work gloves. And there it is. So it comes with a chain guard. And 2 lithium batteries. 1 and 2. Pair of safety goggles. A bag of tools. There's a chain oil bottle in here, an extra chain, a couple of files, screwdriver, and a brush just to maintain the chainsaw. And there's the power adapter to charge the batteries. Got these all charged up so they're ready to go. Press the safety and the trigger. There you go. It's a 6-inch saw, so you know it can cut anything that's up to 6 inches in diameter, so that'd be ideal. And yeah, so I'm going to cut me some firewood with this. Now my brother-in-law picked up these 2 trouble lights. They're LED, cob LED. I'm not sure what cob means, but anyway, they're cob LEDs. They're very bright. They're powered by 3 AA batteries. And like other trouble lights, they come with this flip-out hook, so you can suspend them. So I can suspend them from my rafters in there if I wanted to. And like I said, they're incredibly bright. I'm not going to shine this right into the camera because it's really bright. But anyway, you'll be able to see how bright it is. Well, actually, right now the sun is shining right in my face as well. But anyway, they're very bright, brighter than the other light bulbs I used to use in there. So they'll come in handy too. As you can see, there's a lot of dead wood lying on the ground. Now, that's not suitable for firewood because it absorbs moisture from the ground. So there's also a lot of standing dead wood. And so I'll be taking some of that, bringing it over to the shelter, and then I'll cut it to length for my wood stove. Okay, so now that I've collected a few lengths, I'm just going to cut them to the length that'll fit my wood stove. And the length is actually from the tip of my thumb to the tip of my index finger. So very close to the length of that blade. So a few more loads like that, and I should be ready for winter camping. Until next time, Muskrat Jim, signing out. For more Muskrat survival videos, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to click the bell to receive notifications of newly uploaded videos on this channel.